Today we're going to be barbecuing up some cedar planked salmon with a Hoisin mustard glaze. Looking forward to it, and it should be fantastic. So I brined the salmon overnight in a very basic brine: soy sauce, salt, brown sugar, water, obviously. I typically don't brine salmon a whole lot and very rarely do it overnight, but thought I would try that and see how it goes this time. I've now got it out of the brine, and I am letting it dry to get that nice pellicle glaze before I put it on the smoker. So I mixed up the glaze for the salmon. It's basically 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of unsalted butter melted, and then half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. And then you'll slather that on top of the salmon as you put it on the grill and top it with the lemons. So I'm about to start up the Weber here. I'm going to set it medium-low heat. I'm going to try and go at about 275 to 300 degrees. I don't like going too slow on salmon. I like cooking it a little quicker, but not too quick. So let's get it started and get it rolling. We're going to be using Weber Grillmaster Blend pellets. Turn it on here. Fire it up. And set the temperature, like I said, I'm going to go to 275. And there we go. Should be ready in about 10-15 minutes. All right, so the grill took about 10-12 minutes to heat up. I'm about ready to put the salmon on. All I did was place them on the cedar planks that had been soaking in water. I then slathered on some of the Hoisin mustard glaze, topped them with some lemons. I'm gonna pop it on the grill here and let them go. Probably a good 30 to 45 minutes. All right, now we wait. Okay, so you can't just have salmon, you gotta have some sort of vegetable or something to go with it. So today we're gonna do just some basic whole grilled carrots. Nothing fancy, just the whole carrots. Let them go, seasoned with olive oil and some roasted seasonings. And we'll pop those on for probably 15-20 minutes, the remaining balance of the salmon. Okay, now we wait some more. All right, time to take them off. Enjoy, and bon appetit. Ooh, they do look good. And there's the finished product, folks. Not bad looking. So, takeaway from the salmon. As I mentioned in the beginning, I normally don't brine salmon, and I don't think I'll do it again. Not quite the texture that we enjoy. It was very good still, and very tasty, but not how I normally prefer my salmon. So moving forward, we won't brine it again, but it was very good. The carrots were fantastic, and overall it was a good meal.